Hello, everyone. Today, I'm presenting our scientific article on the perspectives for the use of symbiotics in the reduction of risk and as an adjuvant treatment for colorectal cancer. My name is Marina Santana. I'm studying nutrition science at the University of São Paulo.
Hello, everyone. My name is Costa, and I'm studying hemobiology at Cleveland State University. And this work was made as a team with Marina and also her professor from the University of São Paulo. So let's get started. To give an introduction and also a context to the scientific research, let's go through to the main topics. So according to the American Health Organization, the second most common cause of cancer is the cancer death is the colorectal cancer, also known as CRC, with around 862,000 deaths per year. Additionally, food is essential for human survival and is often an important factor determining whether an individual is healthy or not. Then when intestinal dysbiosis is analyzed, is determined by the diet and can influence many factors in your organism, such as immunity. Because of this, our investigation into the communication between colorectal cancer and the individual microbiota, in which Madavi's research found that colorectal cancer causes dysbiosis. Consequently, we consider that foods rich in biotics, such as symbiotics, hold promise in restoring a healthy balance for the intestinal microbiome. In this sense, we looked at the perspectives of the potential application of symbiotics, reducing the risk of colorectal cancer and enhancing its efficacy as an adjunctive treatment. So our main objectives in this scientific research were to evaluate the potential of symbiotics as a treatment in prevention in CRC. Second, examine clinical human and animal and in vitro studies on probiotics and prebiotics. And third, discuss the mechanisms of action of probiotics and prebiotics in CRC. So the methods we have used, or we reviewed existing researchers using online database like National Library of Medicine, Science Direct, and Taylor and Francis Online. We sifted through a total of 30 pages, all centered around probiotics, prebiotics, and symbiotics, and colorectal cancer, covering the publication period from 1995 to 2003, with data collection occurred between May and September 2003. To analyze the data effectively, we give particular attention to the oldest and most cited studies, which offer deeper insights into subject. How do we analyze numerous articles and in-depth examination of the mechanisms of symbiotics in colorectal cancer? We would have provided additional precision in the results of our research. And now Marina is going to take the head and talk through it.
Thank you, João. So to conduct this research, our main question was, could symbiotics, a combination of probiotics and prebiotics, be used as a treatment or preventive measure for colorectal cancer? So first, we need to know, what is a symbiotic? Symbiotics are a mixture of living microorganisms and substrates that the host microorganisms use to confer a health benefit to the host. The complementary approach is characterized by its independent nature, as the probiotic does not rely on the prebiotic, but rather on microorganisms in the host microbiota. Then I will talk about the potential use of symbiotics that we encounter in our scientific article. First, the survey explored the potential use of symbiotics as a treatment and prevention method for colorectal cancer. The research suggests that symbiotics show promise in contributing to the treatment and prevention of CRC. One of the most significant issues that negatively affect CRC is environmental factors like processed food, sanitary lifestyles, increased alcohol consumption, smoking cigarettes, getting stressed frequently, and many related habits and behaviors. Third point is Madhavi et al. Saw that eating behavior influences the formation of microbiota and the risk of CRC, and a diet with probiotics helps prevent it. Then we can know that the last topic about the CRC and the related behaviors and lifestyles, it could be related with the research of Madhavi et al. Fourth, in the studies of Revisa, all rats that received carcinogen and symbiotics survived until the experiments end, different from the group that only received carcinogens. The next, that in further research by Gallagher has shown that probiotics and prebiotics can reduce the risk of CRC. 6. Also in the topping trio, rats are tested for carcinogens while being fed brand cereal. The cereal is considered a probiotic because of the fiber, which showed promising results in the risk of CRC. The last point that the study reviews various experiments, including animal studies, in vitro experiments, and clinical human studies, to demonstrate the potential benefits of probiotics and prebiotics in reducing the risk of CRC and improving outcomes for CRC patients. However, it also acknowledges some contradictory findings in the literature, particularly concerning in the specific strains of bacteria used. Further research is needed to provide more accurate and conclusive results, potentially leading to more effective approaches for cancer patients and even potential benefits for other types of cancers. Then, in conclusion, this article calls for further laboratory and clinical research, with a focus on patients to obtain more precise and conclusive results. Such research is vital for developing better approach to treating and preventing CRC, and potentially is extending these findings to benefit patients with other types of cancer, such as, like, we know about the colorectal cancer, but we can know more about the brain cancers and other types of cancers. The article highlights the complexity of the gut microbiota and its relationship with cancer, emphasizing the need for nuanced understanding of the interplay between probiotics, prebiotics, and cancer development. Overall, it underscores the potential of symbiotics as a novel avenue in the ongoing battle against colorectal cancer, while recognizing the necessity of rigorous and comprehensive investigation to unlock their full therapeutic potential. Then these are the references we use in the slides. And thank you so much for your time and attention. If you have any question or you'd like to talk to us, these are our email. Feel free to contact us.
Thank everyone for the time, for your consideration also. As Marina said, any question and anything you want to talk, please email us and we're going to be ready to talk to her.
Yeah.
Every day.